This is the MOSFET Threshold Voltage Interactive Calculator, which determines key electrical parameters for MOSFET device design. Let's look at the input fields. First, there's a calculation mode dropdown where you can choose to calculate threshold voltage, VTH, oxide capacitance, COX, oxide thickness, TOX, depletion charge, QDEP, flat band voltage, VFB, or substrate doping, NA. I'll select Calculate Threshold Voltage, VTH for this demonstration. The input fields include flat band voltage, VFB, in volts, Fermi potential, phi F, in volts, depletion charge, QDEP, in coulombs per square centimeter, oxide capacitance, COX, in farads per square centimeter, oxide thickness, TOX, in nanometers, substrate doping, Na, in per cubic centimeter, temperature, T, in Kelvin, and oxide permittivity, epsilon OX. For our example, I'll enter flat band voltage, VFB, as 10 volts, keep Fermi potential at 0.38 volts, depletion charge at 8.5 E-8, oxide capacitance at 6.9 E-8, and the remaining parameters at their defaults. After clicking Calculate, we get a threshold voltage, VTH, of 1.1419 volts, body effect term of 1.2319 volts, and surface potential 2 phi Fa of 0.7600 volts. The calculator confirms this is in the standard threshold voltage range with good balance of performance and leakage. Find the link in the description below.